In this praxis example, we will show you how to quickly draw a pile foundation. First, let us start the point cloud converter and select the Excel file we want to import. Before the import, let us open the file and check the structure of the file. Now we can adapt the input parameters. The x-coordinates area, located in the second column. The y and z coordinates are located in the third and fourth column. After confirming our settings, we can import the coordinates to create a point cloud. We are now on an empty drawing file, where we will place a single ground anchor. I already prepared a ground anchor, which we will use for the pile foundation. It is important to reduce the free section to 0 and define an offset for the anchor's head, because the imported terrain points represent the bottom of the base plate. Now, let us activate the drawing file with the imported terrain points. We will move the placed ground anchor away from the point so that we can find it easily after copying it. With the copy object to point command, we can first select the anchor and then the terrain points. After deleting the original ground anchor, we can see that our pile foundation is almost finished. Lastly, we want to rotate our piles. To do that, we use the designated handle. After setting the IFC object type of the pile and updating all the other Python parts, the pile foundation is finished.